No, don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh. Because when I was child, then I want to become a dancer, but I fear to fail. So I would never make my dream come true. So when you ever fail, everyone started taunting you. Everyone, you are example of every haters as a failure who never want you to be successful. And listen to all these things and seeing all the happiness of a hater, you go into depression. Hey brother, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know how much expensive of a depression treatment? A middle class family can't afford it. Because I am also from a middle class family, so I know how it is hard to face. So why are you fear? Why are you fear? What do we have which we are fear to lose? Why? Why are you fear to do something different, to do something brilliant, to do something big? So never give up. Because APJ Abdul Kalam said that fail means first attempt in learning. A girl, a common girl from Delhi who 5 times failed, but she was never give up. She was never lose her hope because she was know how to accept your past without regret and how to handle her present with confidence and fear. And finally he know very well how to face or future without fear. When she was her first attempt UPSC exam, then she was in the last year of her college, and she reached interview round, but she not passed. And again she tried, and her second attempt she fail in prelims exam. But again and again she tried, and her third attempt she reached for interview round, but she not passed. And the reason was her low marks. And her fourth attempt, he should never pass UPSC exam, but she cracked her IB exam, but she was not happy because she always want become an IAS officer. So never change yourself, never change yourself, never change your originally, because no one can play your role better than you. After 5 times failing, she cracked her UPSC exam, bringing 11th rank in 2090, and she was becoming an IAS officer. And who is none other than Miss Nupur Goyal. So for her hard working, for her madness of becoming an IAS officer, for her guts, these claps should be played from your heart, not just with hand. So please clap for our brave girl Nupur Goyal. Today will wash, and tomorrow will, if you give up, but you know after that tomorrow will be sunshine. So sometimes you listen to your mother, because a mother can be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guide and the last hope in the world when you fail. So thank you everyone. I think you like my performance, as well as you like my dance, and you want to see me in the final round, then vote for me.
First of all, I would like to say congratulations all top 10 participants, including me, and especially Ayansha, who has given me this platform to represent myself in front of you. So, can you guess what is the most dangerous disease nowadays? The most dangerous disease nowadays that सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे? क्या कहेंगे? Yes. The most dangerous disease nowadays that what people think about me, what people say about me, what people hear about me, and we all are suffering from this disease. And if you think that what people hear about me, what people think about me, what people say about me, that means you are neglecting yourself, you are demotivating yourself. In this way, you become slave of other people because your opinion, your thoughts, your idea depends on other people. So never be a slave of what other people thinks of you. Do whatever you want to do in your life because it's your life. And no one has the right to impose his or her opinion, thought, interest, idea on you. You are only one person who can take decision about your life. So now I am taking most trending and interesting example regarding this topic which happens with everyone. When you go to eat any party, then you think, what kind of dress I should put on? What kind of shoes I should put on? What kind of hairstyle I should make? Which company perfume I should put on? And lots of things comes in your mind that time. And now the question is that why do we think as like that? We think as like that because we think that what people think about me if I will not put on this dress, if I will not put on these shoes, they will criticize me, they will insult me, they will demotivate me. And you know it is true. We don't wear clothes for ourselves, we don't get ready for ourselves, we get ready for other people so that they get impressed. And it is reality that many people demotivate you, many people insult you, many people criticize you. They always try to slice and pull down you in the race of life because they have nothing to except criticizing and insulting the people. It is their professional work. They will not feel better until they criticize and backbiting the people. But do whatever you want to do in your life. And now I am checking another example regarding this topic in the education field. Many people suggest you should take science stream. And people suggest no, you should take commerce stream. And many people suggest no, you are good at English, arts stream, so you should take arts stream. I have always experienced these things because many people suggest me after completing my inter that you should take science stream, and the reason was that because I had completed my inter with science stream, so that's why they were saying like this. But I was interested in English honors, but few people have pressurized me to take science stream, but I have decided no, I will take only English honors, and I have decided and I have took English honors, and now I am here in front of you. If I don't take, then I miss this golden chance. So if you want to something greater, then first of all you will have to take decision that what you want to do. And every person in this world has different quality, different opinion, different mindset. And if you want to successful and peaceful life, then focus on your goal and work, and don't pay attention on other people and their thinking. So illuminate yourself and be successful. परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, अक्सर वो लोग खामोश रहते हैं, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. If you want to see me in third round, then please support me. Thanks.
आप एक हारा हुआ इंसान किसे कहते हैं? जो हर बार अपने क्लास में फेल होता है, या जिसे नौकरी नहीं मिल रही, या वो जो अपने बिजनेस में फेल होता है,
जो खुद से हार जाता है, अपने आप से हार जाता है।
So very well, and so hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm and delighted morning to all in one present here. And first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ayan sir to organize India's biggest offline public speaking championship in Hazaribagh. And thank you everyone for giving me your precious time. So thanks a lot. And handsome boy speaking in front of you, who is none other than Mr. Prabhat Perfect. And today I am standing here to tell a story. After completing my story, you have to guess my story, my topic. So let's start. There was a man who lived in America, and he lost his job in 1832. When he lost his job, then after he contested the election of the Legislative Assembly, but he also lost the election of Legislative Assembly. Then after he started his business, and he also failed in his business. Then after that he kept trying. Exactly 2 years later, the worst incident in his life happened. His wife passed away, and he completely broke. After just a year, he had a nervous breakdown, and he went into depression. After that, when he strengthened his courage, in 1838 he contested the election of the House Speaker, but he also lost the election of House Speaker. Thereafter, he gave his name for the nomination of Congress, but he was out of the race for the nomination of Congress. Thereafter, once again he gave his nomination for the land officer, but he was also rejected from the nomination of land officer. Thereafter, he contested the Senate election, and he also lost Senate election. And thereafter in 1856, he contested the election of vice president, but he also lost the vice president election. And after 2 years later, once again he contested the same election, but this time he also lost the vice president election. So what would you call a person who fails so many times?
A learner.
So after getting such a failure, he won in 1860. He won the president election of America. So do you know who was he? If you know, then please raise your hand. Anyone know?
Barack Obama.
No. Actually, the greatest president of America, who was none other than Abraham Lincoln. He was born in a poor family, and he struggled in his life, and he faced many failures, but he never gave up. After so much trouble, if he could give up at any time, he could back down at any time, but he kept on moving on forward. That's why he was the greatest people in world till today, and the greatest president of America. So तो आप तब तक असफल नहीं होते हैं जब आप तब तक रुकते नहीं हैं जब असफल हो जाते हैं या बार बार फेल हो जाते हैं। आप तब असफल तब रुकते हैं जब अपने मन से हार जाते हैं। तो अगर आप अपने लक्ष्य को पाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो हमेशा एक बात अपने दिमाग में याद रखना, चाहे जो हो जाए हमें अपने लक्ष्य का पीछा ना छोड़ना, क्योंकि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता मेरे भाई। Now it's your turn. What was my problem? Can you guess?
Fail is the first attempt in learning.
Well, no. So, hey everyone, if you really liked my video and you learned something from this story, then please vote me. And if you want to see in Grand Planet, then please vote me. Thank you everyone.
सोचता है बच्चा अगर फेल हो गया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, रेप्यूटेशन में झोल हो गया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, पीकर कदम जो बहके तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, डिग्री जो छोटी होगी तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, नौकरी भी ना मिली तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, रिश्तेदार बुरा मान गए तो लोग क्या कहेंगे। लोगों को हमारी परवाह हो या ना हो, पर हमें उनकी बड़ी परवाह है, क्योंकि उनकी परवाह नहीं की तो लोग क्या कहेंगे। Ladies and gentlemen, 4 years back, I gave my board exam. The result was about to declare. But before that, there was a discussion. There used to be a discussion in my home that what my ward is going to do in future, whether he is going to take science and become an engineer or doctor, or whether he will take commerce stream and become a chartered accountant, and whether he will the humanity, or whether he will take the humanities stream and become of nowhere. But I like the humanities most. I like the social studies, I like the history, I like the political science. Everything was against me. No one is supporting me on my interest. But yet still there was bit confusion that what I will do in future, because still my marks was not revealed. Still my marks was not released by the CBSE. Finally, it was on 3rd June, it was evening. I was on the top floor waiting for my marks to come. Since there was no any network, my friend called to my father's phone, and he told that what is my marks, what I secured. So finally I received the congratulatory messages from my father that congratulations my dear, you have taught this school. For a while I was happy, but that happiness turned into sadness after a few moments, when again the same discussion, the same brickbats, the same comments started that what you will do in future. After studying in such a reputed school, you are thinking of taking arts. What people will say, what people will think of you. You have wasted your father's money. For a while I stuck. I thought, for a while I stuck, and I thought that yes, they are saying right. For a while I stuck and thought that yes, they are saying right. After that I changed my mind. After having brainwashed by my relatives, my neighbors, I totally changed my mind. I shifted my mind to take science stream. I took science stream and I came to this Hazaribagh, what we call the Star City, with the hope that I will get to learn something with this new interest that is taking science. But I wasted my 2 years totally. I secured only 69% in 12th. After seeing the marks by my family, once again I received the comments, I received the mockeries. Once again the same discussion started that what again I will do in future. But this time I didn't listen to the world. I listened my heart. I took the arts stream. I take the political science, because this is the thing over which I want to have my mastery. So by narrating this story, my intention was not to build a strong reputation before you. Neither I wanted to keep myself out of the box, I just wanted to tell you that how a single decision taken to influence the others on the slavery of what others will think of you can change your entire direction of your success, can change the track of your aim. There are so many examples from the past you can draw out, which are the result of those all mockeries, all those comments. You can take the example of this bulb. This is invented by Thomas Alva Edison. He failed 1,000 times, but he never gave up. People laughed at him. Still, he was confident. Still, he was determined. He focused his own dream. And finally, after failing, after getting failure in 1,000 times, he succeeded in life. And you know what he writes? He writes, I have not failed 1,000 times. I have developed 1,000 times by which a bulb do not work. So that is the perception to see your failure. Examples are numerous. I have brought a hair with me. Actually, just tell me that how many of you have the problem of hair fall? How many of you have the problem of hair fall? Please raise your hand. I also have. But I just want to give you one remedy. I just want to give you a remedy by which you can cure. You know why there is a problem of hair fall in today's adult? Have you ever wondered, have you ever thought about it, that why the people are getting baldness at the early age of 25 or 35? Because you know, your thinking is associated with your hair fall. If you think more, if you take stress, it is obvious that your hair will fall. Yesterday I got the news of my elder brother. After getting rejected from 35 girls, you know, he have got that love. He has got that girl for him. You know, that person is so determined, you know. He is the second person from which I get most motivation. Just think for a while, how a person, after getting rejected by 35 girls, because he have the boldness in ahead. So I just want to give you, before leaving this stage, this remedy, that just stop worrying what happens, what others think of you. Just focus on your life and just chill. Thank you so much. If you truly liked my performance, guys, you can vote for me, and for that I will be always thankful for you.
अपने तो दिल का पता दे. Oh my God, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग चैंपियनशिप. अरे यार, मुझे कहाँ आना था? Oh my God, ऑडियंस. Oh my God, अरे नो वरी, मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँगा I'm always ready for that. चलता रहूँगा पथ पर, चलने में माहिर बन जाऊँगा. या तो मंजिल मिल जाएगी, या तो अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊँगा. By the way, a very warm good morning all of you ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, ladies, you look very pretty. Oh my God, gentlemen, you look very handsome. By the way, what is the reason behind this? Oh my God. By the way, I have a question. How do you start your day when you wake up? Scrolling your feed on phone or having a tea in a cup? But my morning is totally different, because I have a reason behind this, and that reason which is related to my personal life. Are you excited, guys? Yes. Okay, first of all, I introduce myself. I am Roshan, a student of Sir Ayan Sir. Okay, let's discuss about the story. When I was in class 10th, you know, I love painting, so I did every time paintings. Every person told to me, hey, what are you doing like this nonsense? Yeah, of course, actually, because why he said that? Because my examination was going to be held, and you know all matriculation examination, and मैं मानने वाला कहाँ था भाई, मैं तो करना ही है मुझे पेंटिंग, मैं तो करूँगा ही पेंटिंग. Okay, but after that I passed my examination, not in good marks, but I passed my examination. But suddenly my accident, some accident was happened. Breakup. बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे हो गया. That time I was in totally depressed. I cried a lot. I don't think and I don't understand what मैं क्या करूं. But the next day, I never give up. I woke up early in the morning और मैंने ये खुद से कहा अभी सूरज डूबा नहीं है, जरा सी शाम तो होने दो, अरे मैं खुद ही लौट जाऊंगा, मुझे नाकाम तो होने दो. And after that, I never looked back. When I was in class 11th, I got highest marks in our class. When I was in class 12th, I got highest marks in class. When I was in semester 1, I got highest marks in our friend circle. So guys, if I think about that things, I am not probably would be here. So guys, every story has an ending, but in life, every end is a new beginning. So, सपने वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने ही ना दे. So guys, life is just like a novel. If every day is a new page, if a page is sad, next will be definitely happy. And of course, enjoy the life. Just turn the page and enjoy the life. Thank you guys. And this is my topic. Life is your new page. So. अरे रुको जरा, सबर करो. Please guys, vote to me. This is your Roshan. And of course, if you are happy to see me in next round, तो please vote करो यार.
Hey guys, now raise your hand those who do not want to achieve success in your life. Oh, no one? Oh, sorry, it's my fault. It's my fault. Now raise your hand those who want to achieve success in your life. Everyone? This is the truth that everyone of this world wanted to achieve success in their life. But this is the fact that a very few of them get success and the rest remain unsuccessful. So what is your opinion about those persons who do not achieve success in their life? Please answer me.
To get the luxurious life.
No, that's not absolutely right. Now raise your hand those who are not working on your dream in the way to the success. No one. It means everyone are working on their dream. This is the second fact of the world, that everyone of this world who has just dreamed to achieve success in their life, they work upon it. As we all know that the road to the success and the road to the failure are exactly almost the same. But the things that matters a lot is that how dedicatedly you are going through the way. If you will leave the way at any point, then definitely you will achieve failure. You will be an unsuccessful person. But if you are going on the way with dedications, with burning desires in your heart, then definitely you will achieve success one day. It doesn't matter that how hard and how fast you are going on the way to success, but it always matters that how smartly and how steady you are going through it. As it was said that hard working is the key to achieve success. So I think no, it's not quite correct. So now let's change it. That smart and steady working is the way to achieve success. Yes, as we all know that every day is the new page of our book. Book means our life. It means every morning comes with a new chapter in our life, and our work is to just simply complete that particular chapter within that particular day. The question arises, why? We have a lot of time to solve that particular chapter. No, the answer is too simple. Because from the next morning we have to go through the next chapter. As I mentioned that every morning comes with a new chapter in our life. It means the chapter will remain incomplete forever. If you wanted to take an example of a person who is taking this too seriously, that the work of today should be done within today only. He is the most dedicated, active comedian as well as the actor of Bollywood, Mr. Akshay Kumar. I think you all are well known to him. It doesn't matter to him that what the other kinds of people are doing at night. He wakes up at 4 a.m. in the morning with dedications. He completes all his work of the day within the day till evening. He spends some of his time with his family member, and after taking the dinner, he goes to his bed with satisfaction. Yes or no? So as a result, what we can see? As a result, we can see the actor only who gives about 10 to 15 movies in a year is Akshay Kumar. On the another hand, you can see the other actor used to give 1 or 2 movies in a 2 to 3 years. So the result is so clear. And now I am presenting a line of Kabir, not Kabir Singh. Okay, that's Kabir Das. ही सेड काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी बहुरी करोगे. The meaning of this line is today. By this line, Kabir wants to make us understand that the work of tomorrow should be done today, and the work of today should be done right now. But I'm not saying so, because you all are staying in a digital world, and this world is too slow than the ancient is. Yes or no? Yes, of course. So, if you want to achieve success in your life, you must have to get up with determination of your life. You have to wake up with determination. You have to work, you have to complete all the work of your life, all the work of your day within that day. Don't leave it for tomorrow. Okay? So this line will work as your Ramban in the way of success. My topic was just to wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. After completing all your work of the day, you can go to bed with satisfaction. Yes or no? By the way, it's me Vikram, son of Mr. Virendra Singh from Chhatrapati. And if you like my performance and if you like to see me on the next round or the final round, just vote for me. That's all. Thank you.
या हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी, एटीट्यूड मेरे में भी कम एटीट्यूड ना है. जब मैं पैदा हुई थी ना, तब मैंने 2 सालों तक किससे बात ना करी थी. इतना एटीट्यूड है हम में. Oh no, public, I'm sorry. Today is our second round of a public speaking, biggest public speaking championship. A very very warm to welcome in English at workplace. I'm a lovely loyal. You can call me lovely because I'm your friend. So dear, listen calmly. I'm telling about a short motivational story. A boy's jokes all year round. He has not interested in studies. Just waste his time everywhere. Year is over. His result come. Nothing special. It spread badly. Seeing this, he was completely calm too. If he broke in a moment. Don't dare to go home from school. He realized his mistake. Ran to his home and hugged her mother and cried a lot. Day passed, evening time come. All people around him come home, and that boy was sitting in the corner and was thinking, hoping that all those people should not come ask me my marks. But something similar happened. Son, your result has come today. How many marks you did get? That boy did not dare to tell his marks. Then her mother said, my son has got such good marks. Score 90 marks. Hearing this, people has went from a little square. That this boy doesn't got that much at so many good marks. So that but this statement was her mother, and she went away believing to be true. Then the boys get up loudly and said her mother, what was the need to lie? I would have to let me be infamous. I don't care about me. When we all people will know that I have not such a good marks, but I have a spirit badly. all people will turn to you. A mother told a lie, will tell everyone. Then her mother smiled and said, son, if I don't understand you, then how will understand? I like watching you, not seeing the world. Then that boy's hearing and crying a lot. Not much. Only school marks you have lost from the game of life. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL means first attempt in learning. Not is not the end. In fact, an END means never, effect never die. If you know as answer, remember NO means never, next opportunity. So let's be positive. Time is.
When I know, doctor come to me and said, now your backbone totally crushed, your wrist totally fractured, and your shoulder bone totally crushed, your half body had fractured. I am afford lot, and I'm just asking to my existence why it's happening with me. If I am suffered lots of the things, why I live? What is the purpose of life? Now I am totally depend to other. What's happened with me? I am asking to my mother, and I have no idea. I am only in negative things. Hello guys, it's me, Avni Kushwaha here, and today I got the topic, happiness of your life depend upon the quality of your thought. You are agree that? Because sometimes happen in my life, lots of the negative things happen in our life, but we are not able to fight. Why? Because we can't take risk in our life. If I am suffer lots of the problem in our life, and I can create lot and lot. Negative thought is high. Why it's happening with me? It's not only happening with me, all one. We always afford to in your life, your negative emotion come firstly as compared to your positive emotion. If I am talking about the other people, always criticize you. Not anyone motivate you, you do it. And that time you accept that. I have no ability, I have the no quality, and how I do it. But whenever you think about, yes, I can do it, whenever your positive thought, you're stronger. But compared to your positive thought, is much stronger than your negative thoughts. And that time you won on your negative thoughts. I remember my childhood, I am not good in a study and lots of the things, and all one told me, you are not good. Yes, I accept that, because all one told me you are not good. And what I do, because my thinking, I am not able to think into myself. My negative emotion is create lot. I am not sharing my. That time I think that whenever I share my problems to anyone, and that time who one support me, but I can't. But when I pass out some years, and I realized that no, I can do it everything like to all one. I have the also quality, and I want to improve that. And that time also I am able to improve my negative emotion on positives. I am able that time convert our negative emotion on positive. We are afford to log kya kahenge. If I am fail, log kya kahenge. Why I think that? If I am see the other people, lots of the things happening in her life, but no one talk to you her negative thoughts, and that time you are fail in your life. My mentor told me, you really thought that why you not do it? Instead of you think you can't do it, why you are not thought, yes, you can do it. He always support me whenever I start to sharing my problems. I can't take risk. That is the most important problem. I can't take risk in our life, and that time we fail in our life. We have to struggle. It's lot of the struggle in our life, yes, but you can't take risk. How do you win in your problems? If I'm talking about my personal careers, it's lots of the problem comes. But when I start to sharing my problems with my friends, if you are not able to your family, friends, if anyone have to choose and share your problem, that time you able to fight, because some more powerful words can heal your problems. Our desires a lot in our life and we cannot move on. Yes, our desire is too much, but if I am able to do it, yes, I am able. Our desires is not our negative, our is the struggle, it's our success. I want to introduce a girl who is none other than very cute girl, and he won her negative thoughts and now is the good speaker, artist and painter. Her life is full of the problems, negative emotions, and that time she is not able to do anything. She got the marriage when she was 18 years old due to her not unhappiness, due to her family happiness, because we are able to do with our family, and that time he do it. Sorry, she do it. After the marriage, 2 years, her life is not happy. He got the accident, her husband is jumped and he saved. But she is totally fractured, her half body paralyzed, she is not able to do anything. Lots of the question rises in her mind, but her mother tell to her, you can do it everything, something special for you. Her life is something God special for you, and that time her powerful words, her mother held her injured, and that time she lay down on bed 2 years. Her half body was paralyzed, and that is the reason she is not able to do anything. But after recovering, she is not able to walk, she is not able to become a mother, she is not able to paint again, but she try, and one day she try paint in a white paper, and that time she is able to paint her life. As the colorful paper, she want to paint her life, and that time she start her career when she the other people who also in the wheelchair, and that time she want to start her NGO. That place all the people not feel the helpless. She have the no idea how to do, because her half body was paralyzed, and if I am able, but no one do it. But she is, her powerful thought change her quality, and she start to anchoring in a TV show, activities, advertisements, and lots of the things. She start sharing her problems, her life, and now at times she become a good motivational speaker. She start painting, and she is now the famous painter, and she start walk now. She is not able to become a mother, but now she adopt a child, because in your life nothing is impossible. If you want to do it, if you want to fight on your negative emotions, you can do it. And so you guess that who is Muniba Mazari? Yes. I am asking a question, guys. She could have stopped after her accidents. Later on, her destiny is decided to sit in a wheelchair, but she couldn't do it. Why? In our life, I'm also, you all one. If any face the problem, we are stopped, we are stuck. What I do? But she is not do it. She is not believe in her destiny. She believe positive thinking. And how it come? When we are in problem, we can start sharing our problems, not in front of all one. Someone special, who is your family, who is your mentor, who is your friend. Whenever you start sharing, your problem is finished. If you want to see in the next round, please vote me.
This is me Upendra Patel, and first of all I did say congratulations, and the reason behind is that we are in the stage of English at workplace. It is not a place of English at workplace, it is the stage where you can represent yourself of India's biggest public speaking championships. Yes, and I would like to propose a thank of Mr. Ayan Sheikh sir, who has given me such an opportunity to represent myself as a public speaker. I'm not representing myself as a public speaker, and not I am here to represent to I'm giving best. I'm just coming here to be the best. I'm here to be the best in the sense of the way of thinking, the way of a skill that you are delivering. And once again I would like to say a word that is very magic word. Congrats to all the top selectors, those who are here including me, and especially Ayan sir as well, because he is the founder of the India's biggest public speaking championships. Do you know one thing? I have something for you. Yeah, can you guess what is this? What is this? Dictionary. Yeah, it is quite clear because I think so, someone seen very well, but someone for a while minute thinking what it is. But one more thing, can you guess who gifted me? Who given me this? What it is? You know everyone, but who given me this? I am pretty sure that you all are thinking that, yeah, it is you. You bought yourself, isn't it? Yes or not? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, just reply once, isn't it? Yes. Yes, but no, I am not agree with your answer, and the reason behind it is that it is gifted by my mom. And the very shocking thing is that my mom is illiterate. She is fast. She is not passing a single class. Even she gifted me, and the reason behind it is that my sister excited her. My sister excited my mom to gift to my elder brother. Even she don't know that what my son will learn from this. Even she don't know a single word about the education. However, she gifted me, and the big reason behind it is that at least he will learn something. Because my sister excited deliberately. But interesting thing is that when I was asking to you all who gifted me, you all are using your mind. I think so this ये बंदा ना खुद ही खरीदा होगा, but बोल तो रहा है कि मम्मी गिफ्ट की होगी. Isn't it? Yes or not? Yes. Just reply me quickly. Isn't it? Yes. Yes, but it's not like that. In reality, it is gifted by mom. And I'm talking about thinking, the happiness. Your happiness depends upon your thought process. I was asking, you replied me quickly. This is dictionary and it is, but none of you replied it. But in you all one's mind, there was something. So I'm trying to make you understand that your thinking process and your happiness, each and every one's happiness depends upon your thinking process. What you think from your mind, not from your heart. Because one thing, tell me one thing, your mind and your heart says something or not? Yes or not? Just no, absolutely not. And the reason behind it is that your mind says something other things and your heart says to do something other. And totally depends upon your mind set, the way of thinking that you think. I'm here to make you understand one more thing, that is happiness. Do whatever you can do. Think whatever you can think. Start where are you from. And the moral thing is that your thought process. I am saying again and again, thought process. Would you like to tell me what is thought process? And I believe I have pretty much sure that you all are answering me very quickly. But each and every one's answer would be what it is, different to each other. And do you know why it happens? Why? Just answer quickly. Due to this mindset. Yes, so everyone's mindset is quite different to each other's. And if you want to add your word in your life, and this is the magic word of everyone's life. In this world, no one will not like this. That is happiness. If you want to get the happiness in your life, definitely you will have to do different. And behind it, there is a word which played a very vital role in your life. That is what it is. I'm saying, and always I told to you that the way of thinking, thought process, it's played a wide role in your life, not in my life, in everyone's life. Yeah, tell me one thing. Does it happen when you pass 10th matriculations? Your father says you have to do this, you have to do that. But do whatever you want to do. If you want to add the happiness in your life, then there is one very interesting thing in my mind. That is, when I was in my school, and on that time, the moment was, my father always told to me that, my son, you have to get first position. Everyone's parents like this, not my parents, isn't it? Yes or not? Yes or not? Yes. My father also like this. So I was just saying, I accepting everything. Yes, I'll do, father. I will do. Because I can't do anything. मेरी खुशी किसी और चीज में थी. मुझे तो टॉप करना मकसद वो नहीं था. But everyone's father want to see his or her child to be best and to the top level. And this is the things which was my father's mind, and I always accepted, and I always saying that I'll do. But when I reached 6th class, I got the 4th positions. Still my father was scolding me, not that much, but a little bit. But very interesting thing is that again my father said, you have to do better and get the first position. I was frustrated from my inner side, but I can't do anything now. That was my parents, and no one you can do this. If your parents said you have to do, in any cost, there is no any option, there is no any substitute. Yes, but there was one thing in my mind. Slowly and steadily wins the race, isn't it? Yes or not? Yes, definitely it is. Slowly and steadily wins the race. If you are doing continuously anything, definitely you will get that things. Because one thing happens in this way. What it is? Can you guess? That is law of attraction. When you want to get anything and you will maintain your consistency, definitely you can get one day, isn't it? Yes or not? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Can I believe on you? Yes. But one thing, you have to think, and the thinking is not sufficient, and the reason is behind that. If you want to add happiness in your life, you have to think. And think. I'm also saying thinking. It is very broad word, but the way of your quality thinking, the way of thinking of your quality depends on it. Everything I was doing, I was keep learning, I was keep struggling. There was no my point of view to get the first position. Still I was doing, and I am keeping to studying. And when my result released, I think so on that time my father also present in a school. Everywhere was quiet. And one more things, नजर बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे. नजर बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियों को बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि दिशा बदलो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाएंगे.
लोग सब कितने प्यारे लग रहे क्योंकि सब नहा धो के आए हैं ना आज। और लड़कियों की अरे इन्हें तो बहुत पैसे खर्चे हो गए होंगे ना ड्रेस खरीदने में, मेकअप करने में, कुछ इधर से कुछ इधर से और कुछ इधर से। और बात रही लड़कों को भी कम नहीं, उन्होंने भी 250-150 रुपये खर्चे कर दिए होंगे खुद को सजाने के लिए जो। सो या आई नो। सो ना पैसे लगते हैं ना खर्चे लगते हैं, ना पैसे लगते हैं ना खर्चे लगते हैं। प्लीज आप सभी मुस्कुरा तो दीजिए, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। सो इट्स मी नीलम नाटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। सो टुडे I have a story. So this is a real story. This is related by my friend. So can you hear my story? So let's start, guys. So there was a teacher who never taught himself to his student, and all his students are becoming less because you all must know Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Yes. So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher. So who always say that a good teacher who reads before himself and teach others. So who always used to read himself and before others. So can you read before himself and reads other? That time you are so successful man. And can you give full knowledge and right knowledge without hesitation and fear? So there was a teacher who never So he had a favorite student, his name was Raj. So Raj used to read on our expense. So none of family members support him because he belonged to very poor family. So he was a very intelligent boy, but his family member not support him, and his teacher give her not full knowledge. So he was all competition in failed, and at that time he was so upset. But one day he went her competition exam, but what will be happen, guys? That time he was failed, and he never tolerate his result because he was very intelligent boy, and he read on our own expense. So he was very tensed, and he not seeing his result, and he got a suicide because none of family members support him. And that time जब मतलब उसके टीचर को पता चला कि उन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिया है, वो तो उनके फेवरेट स्टूडेंट थे, अब जो उनके टीचर थे ऑल टाइम ही वॉज so tense, and he was so cried, and now teacher was in mental hospital because you who know that who provide not a full knowledge. So that's all about story. Thank you.